Welcome to this Python tutorial. The platform that I'm using is called Trinket.io. In this example, I'm going to show you how to count the number of days since the beginning of the current year. And the main focus of this tutorial is on the usage of lists and how to iterate the lists by for loop. So let's say we begin by writing a comment at the beginning. Write date to day counter. Okay, and something to print for the user. Print date to day counter. Okay, now we need a variable which is called month, just to let the user enter the number of the month. So we input, the user will enter the number of the month here, and we have the you write current month question mark so that the user understands that it's a question, and this should be encapsulated in int, otherwise it will be used as a text or a string, so it will be converted to int. And now we use the same, copy it, and use another variable. It's called day, current day. The same thing, so you change it to day. Now we have this one. Now we need a list in order to be able to calculate the number of days of each month. So I paste the list just to save time. This is the list of this is how we write the list of all the days of the month. January is 31 days, February 28, if it's not a leap year, of course. March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December 31st. Okay, this is the list of the numbers of the whole year, and now we iterate this. The most important in the list is all the programming languages that the list begins with position 0 and position 1, 2, 3, 4, and up to the length -1. For example, if we talk about month of February, which is now, so the position is 0 and 1. So we minus the month by 1 in order to get the right position. Okay, so we iterate the list and add the days with this current day in order to be able to count all the days. So we have a for loop, and here we have a position variable, which is takes care of the position of each month in the list. So position 0, position 1, position 2, and so on. Okay, and now the position is we write it in range. And the range is from 0 up to the month -1, because we begin with 0, so the month should be -1. And we should have a colon after this in order to be able to get the indentation. Otherwise we do not get indentation. So what we write here, we write day and equal to day itself, because the day should be added with it, and plus what? Plus the position of the days of the month. So we iterated from positions first as position 0, position 1, 2, 3, 4, up to the current month that we have here. So if we write it this days of months, and now here write the position, because the position, if it's first position 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So by this way it adds all the days of the up to the current month. For example, if the current month is July, so it comes from 0 to 6. Okay, and then this day will have all the days of the past days of the year. So now we print it out for the user to see how many days has passed since the beginning of the year. So you write print, and here you write the day in string form. We should not forget it, because otherwise it will not be, it will give an error. Day, this day that we counted all the days, plus a text message. Days has passed. So many days has passed since the beginning of the year. Okay. So this is the message, and let's see if we test it. Let's see if it works. So now we see that date to day counter and current month. Now current month is February, so it's 2, number 2, and current day is it's 5th of February. Let's see what happens. 36 days has passed since the beginning of the year. 36 days has passed. Okay, that's good. So let's see if we run it again and give another date. For example, we give 15th month August and 15th of August, for example. Let's see how many. 227 days has passed since the beginning of the year. One last test. Now, if we count all the number of days in the year, for example, if the month is 12 and the day is 31, because December has 31 days, let's see if it gives us 365 days. Okay, 365 days has passed since the beginning of the year. Okay, that's good. So by this way, we count the number of days of the year that has passed by giving the number of month and the current days. Okay, that's it for today. Hope you have learned something. Please don't forget to comment and share. Bye bye.